Baking soda is a powdery chemical compound made for cooking and cleaning, yet it also offers a lot of benefits for our health. Are you suffering from annoying skin problems? Does your body odor affect your confidence? Do you have a chronic fungal infection which does not seem to go away? Baking soda can be a single solution to these pesky problems. In this video, you will learn about the awesome benefits that baking soda could bring. Watch until the end of the video to find out all of its benefits. Here are the 7 benefits of baking soda for the body. Number 1. It helps fight acne and pimples. Baking soda has antiseptic properties which help fight acne-causing bacteria. It takes good care of the skin's pH and balance, so it reduces the occurrence of acne. Try mixing a teaspoon of baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply it on the affected area and leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with water. Try doing this once a day for 2 to 3 days. Then try to cut it down to 1 to 2 times per week. Number 2. Baking soda helps to whiten yellow teeth. It can work as a mild abrasive to remove stains and plaque. Add baking soda to your toothpaste just before brushing your teeth. Do this every other day for a few days. Aside from removing bad breath, it also helps keep the tongue clean. Number 3. Baking soda relieves sunburn and blisters. It is best to keep baking soda with you during the summertime. Since it is alkaline, it gives a soothing effect on sunburned skin. Baking soda also has drying properties, which helps the blister to dry faster. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water, then soak a towel and apply as a compress. Number 4. Baking soda improves skin complexion and evens out skin tone. Baking soda can be a good substitute for exfoliating creams. Its abrasive nature helps to remove dead skin cells to expose the healthy, new skin. You can mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda with water or rose water and make a paste. Rub it on your skin with circular motion using your fingers. Number 5. Baking soda can be a good alternative to your deodorant. Most deodorants consist of harmful chemicals that can disrupt our hormones. Mix an equal amount of baking soda and cornstarch and put it in a container. Apply the mixture to your armpits after bath or whenever necessary. Number 6. Baking soda has antifungal properties. It can help eliminate those embarrassing dandruff and nail infections. You can try rubbing a teaspoon of baking soda on your wet hair and scalp. Wait for a minute, then rinse with cold water. Do this at least once a week. Number 7. Baking soda heals skin rashes. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory effects that reduce flare-ups and infections. Mix 1 part baking soda to 3 parts water to form a paste. Apply it on the affected area and wait for a few minutes before rinsing. Use this treatment once a day until the condition improves. Sometimes the best cure is the simplest. Baking soda is beneficial not only for aesthetic reasons but also for our health. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Do not forget to subscribe and share for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching.